Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open Honda Ridgeline trunk cover. Start by standing behind the truck and locating the latch on each side near the hinges. Squeeze or pull the latch while supporting the cover with your other hand to prevent slamming. Once released, fold the cover back toward the cab and hook any storage straps to keep it folded safely while loading cargo. First, position your feet shoulder-width apart for balance and grip the cover edge firmly with both hands. Press or pull both latches at the same time while lifting slightly to disengage the cover smoothly. If the cover feels stiff, inspect for debris, frozen spots, or damaged clips, and clear them before forcing the cover open to avoid breakage or misalignment. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to your garage or trunk area, so you can ask for directions or play tools playlists hands-free. It's compact, easy to set up, and a handy companion while you work on your vehicle. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your trunk cover sticks, apply silicone lubricant to the metal latch points and work the cover gently until movement smooths out. For missing or cracked clips, replace them to maintain a secure fit and prevent the cover from detaching while driving. When the cover sits unevenly, check hinge alignment and adjust carefully or consult a technician to avoid further damage and keep the cover functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.